I started my recteq journey about a year ago.
I was way overweight, feeling uncomfortable, and it was time to do something.
I was over 300 pounds. I was 305 pounds.
I like to be outside.
Really enjoy the food that I eat, that I'm cooking.
Going low and slow.
Brisket, pork butts, ribs.
It's remarkable. I get excited about my recteq grills.
Adds a lot of flavor, gives us a lot of options.
And the food we're making at home is better than we can get at any restaurant.
At the end of the day, I actually lost weight.
I've lost 54 pounds.
I set that goal to lose 95 pounds. I currently have hit 70 of that 95 pounds.
And I lost 50 pounds with my recteq grill.
I've lost 52 pounds.
Hey, what's up, recteq family? If you want to check out the rest of these weight loss stories, click here. If you yourself need any help with healthy recipes in 2020, look no further. They're right there. And hey, smash that bell down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really would appreciate it. And if you yourself have an awesome weight loss story, please leave it in the comments section down below.